alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all staying safe at your home. I'm your biology teacher. Today we discuss a topic in chapter number 17, biotechnology. The topic that we discuss today is major achievements of genetic engineering. In previous lecture we discussed about the genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is also called genetic modification or genetic manipulation of an organism genes using biotechnology. Now what are the major achievements of genetic engineering? There are basically two major achievements of genetic engineering that we discuss in our today lecture. First one is achievements in field of agriculture. Second one is achievements in curing animal diseases. Achievements in field of agriculture. Genetically modified organisms are formed. Some benefit of GM plants are improved nutritional quality, better nitrogen fixation, virus resistance, herbicidal resistance, insect resistance, disease resistance, enhanced efficiency to use minerals. These all are basically achievements in field of agriculture with the help of GM plants. Resistance against herbicides. Herbicides are basically chemicals which can kill weeds. Some crops plants also get damaged because of herbicides. Herbicide resistant genes have been introduced in soybean, cotton and corn. As a result, herbicide can be used around these plants without harming them. Resistance against virus. Virus resistance traits have been introduced into many plants such as tomato, potato, tobacco, squashes, etc. These plants are now not affected by viruses and survive viral attacks. Resistance against insects. Pest-resistant genes have been introduced into many crops such as tomato and cotton. With the help of this, plants modified and show resistance against pests. Now what are the achievements in curing animal diseases? Human insulin. Human insulin, basically first genetic engineering product. Vaccine against hepatitis B has been produced from yeast through genetic modification. Human growth hormone, it is basically produced in genetically modified bacteria and it is utilized to treat dwarfism. Interferon, which is also called as antivirus protein, is made in genetically modified bacteria. Vaccine against foot and mouth diseases, vaccine against coccidiosis, treatment of trypanosomiasis, gene therapy, animal cloning. Animal cloning. Cloning is basically create a genetically identical copy of an animal or plants. Identical organism is formed with the help of DNA of an organism. Animal cloning has been possible due to biotechnology. Genetic engineering has successfully cloned sheep, cows and other mammals. The basic idea behind cloning of animal is to transfer the DNA into egg and create the identical organism. Dolly sheep basically first cloned a mammal in 1977 by the Roslin Institute in Scotland in 1977. Process of cloning. Now what are the process of cloning? This process include 3 steps. In first step, genetic information of the animal to be cloned is transferred to an egg cell whose nucleus has been removed. In the second step, egg is stimulated to divide and make embryo. In the third step, implantation of embryo in uterus of female host. The diagram shows the process of cloning. Now what are the risks, danger of genetic engineering? Genetic engineering can affect the normal functioning of our genes, can develop antibiotic resistance in humans, GMOs or genetically modified organism can affect the normal balance in ecosystem. Microorganism used in recombinant DNA experiment might develop extremely infectious form that could cause worldwide epidemics. This is all about our today lecture. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.